Good morning and welcome back to India. We are in Kochi. Today we're heading out on an exciting boat tour in Allepey. They've got the backwaters there. It's about an hour's drive. From here we've rented a taxi for the day. He's gonna take us there and then we'll get on the canoes and look around these beautiful backwaters. It just looks amazing from pictures. I can't wait. This is one of the things I was most looking forward to before going on this trip. So let's get out there and see the backwaters of Kerala.
Let's go down the road that leads to wherever.
Familiar might be easy, but the unknown calls my name.
If we don't find our own, we'll be here forever.
Don't want a life that's empty when I got the world to gain.
After about a 1 hour ride with the taxi from our hotel in Kochi, we have arrived in Allepey, where they're already waiting for us with the boat. Now we have expected something small because we're just 2 people, but they actually prepared quite a big ship for us, so we had plenty of space and we started the cruise.
So as I said, we just got on our houseboat. It's gonna be a 4-hour cruise, super comfy. We're the only ones in the boat. It's gonna be a private tour around the canals of Allepey. Super excited for it, and if we want to also have some beds to relax a bit. Got these coconuts and they served food on banana leaves. Different curries to try. I passed on that one, stuck to the coconut. But yeah, definitely very authentic experience so far, and now we're back on the water.
We can go by land or by sea. Ooh, me and you, it's all that we need. Just one foot in front of the other. Take a breath and then take another. Fill our lungs with the air of summer. This is a grand adventure. Just one foot in front of the other.
And so our boat trip after 4 hours slowly came to an end. We really had a good captain. He navigated us all throughout these rice paddies and really through some interesting spots. The best part definitely was to see all the scenes next to the water. People really live very closely with the waters in Kerala. They swim in it, they wash themselves in there, they do their dishes, they cook with the water. So there's this really interesting relationship with the water. All right, time to get off the boat and back to the hotel. And we're back from the backwaters of Kerala. It was great, just as good as I expected. Definitely a must do if you're in the region. For me, it was even the reason to get down here to South India. I had a very relaxing 4-hour boat tour. We paid about 60 euros for 2 people for the whole boat. You can also get on one of these bigger houseboats. That's more expensive and maybe makes sense if you're a bigger group. So far, I have to say South India is definitely my favorite region. It's a bit more peaceful down here, less chaotic. We're having a great time. If you haven't seen my other videos from India so far, go ahead and check them out. There's a dedicated playlist for them. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.